Hello everyone, I hope you are safe and sound. Today I'm here to show you how to widen teeth and Adobe Photoshop. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer and select the yellow and decrease the saturation -100 and increase the lightness +100. Press Ctrl+I to make invert. Now the hue saturation is applied over all the pads, and I want to just apply the hue saturation only on the teeth. Now select the brush and make sure the foreground color is white, and now just brush the teeth and now you can see it's really amazing. Wow, it's crazy, it's like a magic. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your support means the world for me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting content. Like, share and leave your thoughts and the comment. I would love to hear from you.